Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for watching. Today we're going to keep making progress on the Mustang. So I did a little work yesterday, didn't record it really, just wanted to get it all torn apart. So show you that, and then today we're going to relocate the fuse box and the power distribution box. We'll relocate that and rerun this wiring and get the relocation kit installed so we can get moving on this build. Still waiting for the kit or the fuel system from On3, of course. So it's supposed to ship this week, so they say. So hopefully it does. Be a shame to get this whole turbo kit in and still be waiting on that. But yeah, so today we'll knock out relocating the power distribution box, and maybe we might move the battery into the trunk. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, let's get to work. So I'll show you guys the layout so far, everything that's torn down. It looks pretty bad. So I was able to get all this torn out, got the inner fender wells out. So what you want access to is you want access to this right here. This is the that's the harness you want to push out, and we're gonna shove it through that hole and then reroute it through over here. And this is about where the battery relocation or the power distribution box and ECU will sit. So pretty much those are all held in by clips. Then you got your bumper off. So the bumper was removed, front bumper removed, this side all stripped down as well. I don't know if I'm going to relocate the harness on this side. I might. As you can see, it is kind of close. So the turbo will be sitting about right here. And yeah, it looks pretty dang tight. So let's hope everything fits right, or well, at least. So yeah, that was pretty much it. You had about 8 bolts on top, plus 2 7/32 on the side holding it in, and then a bolt hidden behind this, and then just literally clips on right out. Luckily mine aren't broke yet. Let's hope they never break. So yeah, it's that's where we're at right now, torn down. So we'll get to work right now, start relocating this power distribution box, and let's get to it. Got to push through, got the harness pushed through like we wanted it, and now we're going to reroute it and zip tie it up and then get to this relocation for the power distribution block. So I'm going to set you guys up and we'll get to work. quick update here. I turned the camera off a little bit because this wiring was a pain in the ass. But I got it through. We'll go over that right now. Get you guys up in the air with me. Alright, so to remove or to relocate power distribution box, it's freaking tight in here. So literally you're pulling the cable right through there. Can't really see it. So I just took out the PCM, two 8mm bolts, and then took off the mount for it, which was 3 10mm bolts, and then yanked the wiring harness through and like really yanked it. I also removed, there's a clip on this AC line. I removed that. Then you got a push pin that holds the harness in right here. We're probably not going to reuse it. If you wanted to, I guess you could try to get it out. I have a whole box of them, so I just cut it, pushed it through with the screwdriver, and got it free. And then I literally had to yank the shit out of it. And it feels like you're going to break something, but you really you have to yank hard. I was working up a sweat yanking it out. But yeah, there it is. Also, you want to remove these 2 core support bolts. There's 2 here, 2 here. Those are 10mm. Then you got the supports for the radiator and condenser, 2 10mm. You want to take them off there. And then there's 2 13s. There'll be one right here, and one right here. You got to get them from the other side. But once you get those off, you can get these off without taking this headlight off. And then literally, once you get all those off, core support will be free, and then you can pull it up, slide it out, and then slide all your wiring underneath there. So yeah, that's how far we got. As you can see, everything is pretty much hanging. So we're going to change the battery in the camera, and then we will get to work rerunning the wires underneath, getting them all mounted up and looking pretty. We may have to cut the mount they give you that goes right here, so the way the tire doesn't interfere. But we'll take care of that when we get there. Hey guys, what's up? So had the camera off, didn't really record what I was doing. Got a little bit of it, but not much. These instructions that come with the kit are terrible. But you can't beat the price of the kit, so anyway, this is how far I got. If you want to see, junk drawer for now. Pretty much got everything I needed to out of the way. Got the battery harness, all that shit's taken apart. Probably gonna cut it apart, try to run the wires a little more clean, because the only real spot I have to run them through is through right here, and I don't know if I want to do that just yet, so we'll see. I got this so far. So here's our PC, or our ECU. We got our power distribution box held in by zip ties right now. All of our wiring and whatnot, and run behind there. There's our fuel pump wiring harness, power for that. Probably gonna drill a hole right here, get a hole saw, make a little hole, run them up through there, and then it comes right out from under here, run it right through there. But yeah, that's how far we got so far. If you want to look at it, it's a pain in the ass for sure. I have to run to the hardware store and grab some more bolts. The hardware kit that comes with this is very poorly organized, and I don't think I got bolts for that, or if I'm supposed to use bolts from somewhere else. What the kit, or what the instructions and everything doesn't say, is you have to remove your washer reservoir. It literally goes right where your washer reservoir is. So either we're gonna run without it, or we're gonna probably have to find a place to relocate it. Worst case, I was thinking about relocating my battery to the trunk, so we could always put that in there where the battery is, or we could mount that in the trunk, or whatever. We'll figure it out. If it's even important, you know. I really don't drive the car in rain or winter or anything, so hardly ever use my window wipers. So yeah, that's as far as we got for today. I'm gonna try to knock it out in the morning, so while everything's still fresh in my head. But yeah, that's how it all looks for now. It is definitely a lot of work for this kit. Definitely a lot of small things that you got to get done to get the turbos to fit, but I think overall, after everything is said and done, it'll be a fun car. So yeah, thanks for watching. We'll pick up on this stuff next video, and hopefully have it all knocked out and have at least part of the front end back together, the headlight back in, and battery back in. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.